Good afternoon from Scott Duckworth. If you saw the little preview I put out a while ago, I told you we were going to be talking about wins and loses on buying things such as riding lawnmowers, tillers, motorcycles, ATVs, RV in the background, whatever. These are based on the things that I've bought, the things that I personally use. You know, I try to be frugal. Now, when I say frugal, that doesn't mean that I'm going to go buy the cheapest stuff in most cases. However, I did buy the cheapest tiller. Okay, it's that time of the year, and most of you know that watch my videos, I love to grow our own food, corn, peas, and all that kind of great stuff, right? Okay, moving right along. Even though I've got a tractor and other tools to do all this stuff, there are times when you need a small tiller. I don't need a big tiller, and a really good tiller is going to probably run you over $1,000. You know, if you're going to invest into a tiller that you're going to be busy at gardening, buy you one of those. I needed something more for a small, like a little small area, or just to sort of weed around my my crops, as far as just going along the edge, getting the, you know, all the different types of just, I guess, crap weeds out of there. I hate using a hoe. With that being said, this is the Harbor Freight Predator tiller, 2-cycle engine, you know, which in generic terms mean, hey, you know, you mix your oil with the gas. So keep that in mind if you're shopping for a tiller. All right, price point on this particular Harbor Freight tiller comes in at $219.99. They do offer an extended warranty on it. I don't know, I can't recall how much it is or if it's even worth it or not. I can tell you this, when I got this tiller, and you're going to know very quickly where this review is going after I get through the first brief part of the description. The first 2.5 hours, this thing worked fabulous. I mean, it cut up like a new pair of scissors. You can't make that up. I mean, it plenty of power, did everything it was supposed to, and only used it about 2.5, 3 hours. That was last year. And then I started having some problems with it, and I just put it up. Well, I finally got it back out here this season. So here's my opinion of the Harbor Freight tiller. I would not recommend this tiller. I saw some reviews out there, but they were at it, you know, on the reviews I saw, or the ones I came across, was when the tiller was new, not when it was a year old. And here again, I've only got 3, maybe 4 hours on it. I've actually used it, but it's not dependable. Number one, it's hard to start. All right, number two, carburetor issues. I had carburetor issues at 2.5 hours, and I'd gotten past the warranty period. I tried to take it back. That was a lost cause. It doesn't matter if you're 1 day over, hey, and it's out of the warranty period, you're on your own. Number two problem, the choke no longer works. Carburetor failure. I took the carburetor apart, looked at it. The gasket that goes between the carburetor and the engine, it's about as thin as a piece of paper. All right. There's 2 more things here. There's your throttle assembly cable that goes through this loom here. The throttle cable failure, that's got to be replaced. There's a button on top that is stop and run. When you get ready to stop the tiller and want to turn it off, the stop button no longer works. Sometimes it will, but probably not. If you look here, it's a little bit on the flimsy side, but here again, you're only looking at $219. So in this case, frugality with this particular brand was not a very smart move. So that's my review on the Harbor Freight tiller. I think there's better deals out there. I wish the buyer or whoever who put this into their inventory in the Harbor Freight system, I wish they'd have spent a little bit more time on reviewing the quality of this before they put it in their inventory lineup. I've gotten some great products from Harbor Freight. Their air compressors are very good. Some of the tools are very good. Hey, you've got cheaper and you got more expensive. It's all kind of give and take. You get what you pay for in a lot of cases, but most of the Harbor Freight stuff I've bought has been very satisfactory to me. I would have to say this is a failure. Cannot recommend the Harbor Freight tiller. I think there's some alternatives you should do your homework on out there. Check with Lowe's or Home Depot, or if you want to go something a little more elaborate, maybe check with your local dealer that sells farm supplies, such as I don't know, tractors and things like that. You know where to go to. So just be smart, and you know what, the next guy that buys one, or gal, you may have very good luck with it. I'm just telling you what my experience is. I would not put that on my recommendation list. Thank you, and there's going to be some more things coming up. I appreciate you viewing. If you've liked what you've seen so far, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe. I hate the word subscribers. I call our friends friends, not subscribers. So, hey, subscribe to the channel and like it if you like it. If you don't, hey, I can't take care of everybody, but hey, just trying to give you the information you need. Thank you for viewing.